Hi there, anything I can help with? Yeah, Ben. Good.
Apologies, let me get a grip on it. As you can see.
Okay.
And then the same. And the same with that.
with is need to be some kind of waterproofing.
IP67?
Yeah, maybe probably can be work.
No problem. We
Okay.
can do that.
Yeah. So this is the lens. This is our own camera, own lens. The lens is achromatic, so you don't need to refocus when you're switching between visible and infrared lighting.
Okay.
And then we're coming out with our own lights. The lenses are currently out, and then so here is a IP67 rated cover. And then this is the unit camera. So this is the camera, the light, and the lens. And it's also liquid lens on these, so you can dynamically change your focus depending on the amount of current that you put through.
Okay. What do you mean liquid lens?
So the focus of the lens will change depending on the current that you're putting through. So let's say you've got a conveyor belt, but you're measuring boxes or something of different heights.
But you've also got USB 3, you've got MIPI CSI, which is quite nice. So how many cameras do you want into one processor, or?
We usually do 6 or 8 on one car.
Okay. Yeah.
Usually we have 3 on the front and 3 on the back.
Right. And what interfaces are you using at the moment?
We are using our own writing because we are writing our own algorithm for self-driving cars.
What's the hardware into? Are they Gigi cameras or USB?
So we're getting a colour image from a black and white camera using only light, for example.
The controller, so this is what we manufacture.
So it's
So
for some kind of calculation for the frequency when it synchronizes.
Yeah, so we have a timing controller that we make as well. So we are counting rotary encoder counts to switch the next light on, a number of rotary encoder counts to switch the next light on. So all of the timing is done from encoder counts on the motor. So we provide solutions like that to our customers where we count pulses, strobe, or time things in strobe. This is one example of things that we can do, but we provide lighting and timing control for all sorts of different applications, anything really. So reload duty cycle very high speed for creating images without motion blur.
Which it got things like auto part switching, so you'll see on there you can register different parts and then it will switch what measurements it's going to take based off of those. So you can present it with up to, I think it's 8 masters you can register. So the whole idea of that is you've got something in line that you can just do inline inspection on. They're really accurate, these ones. They're about 3 microns, and then basically the smaller you go, more accurate they'll get.
So it means it's shining very parallel lights through here, so it can be measured.
Sorry?
So it can be measured.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
exactly. It's a telecentric lens as well, so you don't get any perspective distortion from the lens. They're all from that you can get a 3D image. They're slightly less accurate than these laser heads.
Yeah, I know, but it's using for the fixed environment, control environment, some kind of production line. Yeah, not what we're looking for. It's probably easier to stabilise than recognising the colour. But the thing, this is all just run on the camera itself. There's no PC separate or anything for it. It's simply that's just a video output to the screen. So you also. So this gives it IP67 rating. You see, you've got the screw threads on the back. Yeah. And then it's just held on. The flange lens goes in the middle there. That's got exactly the same mounts as that, so you can put that flange on this camera, and then that gives it the IP67 rating. Once you obviously set your focus and aperture.
And you can even identify them. There is occlusion, and it is still recognizing it, right? So even if it's not perfect, it would still be able to recognize it, although it's being occluded here.
So can you tell how much distance or how much where the position is?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Smooth interfacing. So UK colleague.
So you're mainly for the software.
So currently this is a software solution, yes.
Okay.
So we